Thank you for viewing our audio recording tutorial. Now we will be working on editing the metadata, and then we will save the Audacity file for later. Finally, we will export the metadata and the file to an MP3. So let's get started. First off, we're going to get to the metadata, and I'm going to do that by clicking Edit, and then I'm going to scroll down to Metadata. So you see I've already filled out certain parts of this field. I've put this artist name as Stan the Man. We have Stan's audio mix as the track title. The album title is Editing for Audacity. This is the second track number. The year is 2017, however it is not 2017, so we're just going to edit to 2020, just because. The genre I seem to have put to terror for some reason, so I'm going to move this up, and sound clip, that looks correct. This is a sound clip, so I'm going to select that. And then comments, I have Stan's audio editing tutorial. That looks about right, so we're going to click OK. Now your metadata is set up. When you export to an MP3 file, we will see this dialog box again. However, it will have the information filled up. So when you export this as an MP3 and view it, you can read the audio file information while you're listening to the music. Now we're going to save this. It is already saved, so we're going to click Save Project As. And we've got this warning box, Save Audio is for an Audacity project, not an audio file. And this is because if we open an audio file such as an MP3, it will re-encode using LAME, and it'll tear down the quality of the audio a bit. So we're going to save it first so we can go back to it later. I'm going to click OK. And looks like we have Stan Info as our file name. That looks good. Save as type, Audacity project, perfect. And we're just going to save it under the Audacity folder for now. You may also save it under the desktop if you wish to, or anywhere else. So we're going to click Save, and it is saved. Now we're going to export this project, and we're going to export it as an MP3, which is a very common audio file. And it looks like we're also going to export that in the Audacity folder. Looks good. The file name will stay the same. It'll be an MP3 file. We're going to look under bitrate mode, and now this is the encoding form that it uses. We're going to keep it at preset, and we're going to keep it at standard. We're going to keep the variable speed to fast. Now because we are doing spoken, just a voice audio recording, we're going to force export to mono, so it's a smaller file size. And we're going to click Save. And the metadata shows up again. We're going to click OK, and now the metadata is completely saved. Congratulations, you have now completed the final tutorial.